So as you can see, our investment in talent was well spent. That was Jim Gowdy and Rusty, who just left the stage, and before them that was Matt Christensen and Krusty. So now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct pleasure and honor to introduce to you the national touring group, the Sump Pumps. Now, for those of you who may not know the history, the Sump Pumps actually started here in Camp Horseshoe. I think it was the summer of 1966. It was one night in the Quonset hut when some guys were standing around saying, let's get a band together. And we didn't have any instruments per se, so they went through the Quonset hut and they were taking different objects and turning them into instruments. And when they were all done, there was one thing that they hadn't used, and that was the sump pump. And thus the name of the Sump Pumps was born. So as you can see, we have the banner here from the from the tour bus. We took it off this morning and hung it up here so that it would add to the allure and ambiance of this evening's event. And I'm supposed to keep on talking until they're ready. Will I be cued, or will I just keep on talking?
We've got to let Rusty get back. But
Okay.
Other than that, we're good.
All right.
Thank you.
So keep stretching.
That's right.
Keep stretching.
Yes.
Okay. So
Bam.
are we ready?
No?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, we're ready.
So ladies and gentlemen, oh look, they actually have music. Wow. All right. So they're pulling out all the stops tonight. The Sump Pumps, the one thing that you have to know about them is they never rehearse. So I want you to keep that in mind as you watch the performance tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sump Pumps.
Yeah!
We have music because we don't have memories.
I'm trying to address it. It's harder than it looks. No, just start it off.
Oh, you come over here, then you can watch. And then you can Here's the music. Okay. Are you ready?
Give me an E.
Let's not forget it. All right. This is our patriotic number. Sort of. Right? Oh, that's it. Washington, that valley border, trees and roads on us from Georgia. Crazy words, crazy words, all that joy was running through us. He was